Hi everyone, we are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the lesson that is quadratic equations. Let's just start with the lesson that is solve using the quadratic formula. Solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Solve using the quadratic formula 6q square minus 6q minus 5 equals zeros. So the quadratic formula is q equals negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in the given equation, a equals 6, b equals negative 5, c equals negative 5. So negative b is negative 6, square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So just put up the values in the equation. So just solve the equation. So q is either 1.54 or q is 0.54. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 2h square plus 4h plus 2 equals 0. So we need to evaluate the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So in this equation, we are given a equals 2, b equals 4, and c equals 2. The quadratic equation formula is x equals negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now I'm going to put up the values and do the calculations, right? So negative 4 plus minus b square, 4 square minus 4, a is 2, c is also 2 divided by 2a. Negative 4, that is 4 square minus 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 2 is 16 divided by 4. So 16 minus 16 is 0. We are left with negative 4 over 4, right? So x equals negative 1. We have only one solution, that is x equals negative 1. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is negative 1. Eight r square plus 6r minus 7 equals 0. A equals 8, b equals 6, c equals negative 7. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So negative 6 plus minus 6 square minus 4, a is 8, is negative 7. So let's just do the calculations. Negative 6 plus minus 6 times 6 is 36 plus Let me, no, I need calculator. 8 times 7 is 56 times 4 is 224 divided by 16. So 224 plus 36 is 260 and square root 260 is 16.1. Negative 6 plus minus 16.1 16. So now we have two values, the positive and the negative. Negative 6 plus 16.1 over 16. The other one is negative 6 minus 16.1 over 16. So let's just do the calculation. So negative 6 plus 16.1 is 10.1 and 10.1 divided by 16 is 0.63. And for the other one, negative 6 minus, sorry, negative, negative 6 minus 16.1, that is negative 22.1 divided by 16 is negative 1.38. So you can see option number 1 is the correct option, that is 0.63 and negative 1.38. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 0.63 and negative 1.38. Okay, the next one is 2w square minus 5w minus 3. A equals 2, B equals negative 5, C equals negative 3. So we're going to use the quadratic formula, that is negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's just put up the values in the equation. Negative b and negative 5, that makes it positive. Plus minus 5 square is 25 minus 4ac. 4 times a is 2, c is negative 3. So 24 it is. That would be plus 24. And divided by 2, a is also 2, that is 4. So 5 plus minus 49, that would be 7 over 4. So 5 plus 7 over 4 and 5 minus 7 over 4. We have two solutions. 12 over 4 is 3 and negative 2 over 4 is negative 1 by 2. So we have x equals 3 and x equals negative 1 by 2. So option number 2 is the correct option. 3 and negative 1 by 2 it is. That is 3 and negative 1 by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. Solve by completing the square. K square minus 10k plus 9 equals 0. So make sure that the left side of the equation looks like x square plus bx. K square minus 10k equals negative 9. Add b by 2 square. B is negative 10, so you need to add negative 5 square. So k square minus 10k plus 25 equals 16. It would be k minus 5 whole square equals 16. So k equals 9 or k equals 1. Let's just start with the test questions. K square minus 2k minus 35. K square minus 2k equals 35. B by 2 square, that is 2 by 2 equals 1. So k square minus 2k plus 1 square equals 35. We need to add 1 on the both side. So that is k minus 1 is whole square equals 36. K minus 1 equals plus minus 6. K minus 1 is 6. K minus 1 equals negative 6. K equals 6 plus 1 is 7. K equals 5. Negative 5. So 7 and negative 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 7 and negative 5. H square minus 16h plus 43 equals 0. 8 square minus 16h equals 43. So b is negative 16. So b by 2 square is 8 square, right? Let's just add 8 square. That is 8 square minus 16h plus 8 square equals 43 plus 64, right? H minus 8 whole square. H minus 8 whole square equals 107. So we need to calculate square root both sides. That is h minus 8 is, let's just calculate square root 107. So square root 107 equals 10.3. So we have two solutions. Plus minus it is, sorry. H minus 8 is equal to 10.3. H minus 8 equals negative 10.3. That is H equals 10.3 plus 8. Hold on. H equals negative 10.3 plus 8. So negative 10.3 plus 8 equals negative 2.3. Oh, it would be negative 43. See, I did a mistake. 64 minus 43 is 21. Here we have 21, right? And now we need to calculate square root 21, that is 4.5. So here we have 4.5. So we need to add 4.5. So 4.5 plus 8 is 12.5 and 3.42. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 12.58 and 3.42. Okay, v square plus 12v equals 19. V square plus 12v equals 19. So v square plus 12v plus 6 square equals 19 plus 36. V plus 6 whole square equals 19 plus 36 is 55. 55. V plus 6 equals square root 55 equals 7.4. So V equals 1.42 and negative 13.42. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is systems of linear and quadratic equations.